Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here for week 10 of our Home for the Holidays sampler. And today I'm actually going to share 2 blocks with you because we really want to get this quilt wrapped up for you by the end of the year. And so we're going to be combining the poinsettia and the 9-patch block in our sampler. They're actually both from the same quilt pattern in the book, so it worked out really, really well. We're going to go ahead and get started, and first you'll see Chelsi sharing her poinsettia block unquilted, and then I'll come in and show both of our versions as they are quilted, and then I'll get back on and share both of our 9-patch blocks after they've been quilted. So let's go ahead and get started.
This quilt block is one of my favorites as well. This is one of the blocks from the Poinsettia Quilt top, and I love this cute flower with the leaves next to it. And you'll notice you do have to add some borders on here to make it the right size for the quilt. But I think it looks so cute to actually do a border with some color on this one, and this pink dot print from our Emma collection kind of worked perfect. I really like that it frames the flower. So this is a lot of easy corner sewing for your block. And let me flip this over for you. Oh, and also, if you want to, you could do all of these one print, but I like to use a lot of different prints in one color for this block. Okay, let's flip it over. The pressing is really simple. You'll just follow what's in the Home for the Holidays book, and easy peasy. You're always going to press out for these borders. So look how it lays nice and flat. Do not be intimidated by this block. It is so easy to make and a lot of fun. I could have kept making these. I think it's so cute.
Okay, so I've got Chelsi's quilt here, and it has been quilted. Love this fun overall pattern by Miriam Bott, but this is her poinsettia block, and love that she picked this dot print to surround hers. I'm just going to peel this back now and show mine, which is right here. And I did something a little bit different from Chelsi. You can see I put a green border down here, whereas she surrounded her entire block with a print. I kind of put like some grass, I guess, is what I was thinking. And yeah, I used a different print to surround my block. So both versions, you can take a little bit from mine and take a little bit from hers. Mine has this beautiful custom quilting by Val. I love the little swirls and the little dots that she put in here, and then almost like a big, large X's that are in there. Kind of reminds me like a garden gate. So anyway, I just love this block. This is one of the quilts that Chelsi did for the book that I really want to make for myself. Okay, and this is Chelsi's setting of her double 9-patch blocks. They're actually not double 9-patch blocks for our sampler. We did 5, and I love how she did hers all kind of multicolored and scrappy. It's actually kind of fun filming this video and getting to show Chelsi's blocks along with mine. And again, both of these come from the same poinsettia pattern in the book. And I'm just going to peel this back and show you mine. And you can see that I just went with all yellow and really used those low volume backgrounds. I did keep the white, the more solid print in there. But again, the custom quilting I just love. It's almost like a big flower with little circles in the center that Val did in each of the open spaces for this, and just a double outline of these squares just with curves. Just absolutely love this. This is so easy and so fun, and you will love making this block for your sampler. Okay, so that's it for our week 10 double block week. And again, you will find the PDF available on my blog. And the link is in the description below. And if you still need a copy of the book, we have links to purchase that from Amazon or from my Etsy shop. We hope that you're enjoying this sew along, and if you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.